Alright, good evening. As long promised, I'm making a video of unboxing my new holster from Invader Concepts. And let's see what we got. They make this up in Montana. It's a family that makes it, a little business. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. Whoa. Okay, we got some good swag. Okay. What do we got here? Nicely packaged. Alright. Let's see here. See that? Feels good. I'm not gonna try it on myself right now because I'd have to adjust it, and I'd probably wouldn't be too flattering for me to try to do that on camera. But oh, all right. Let's see if we can get a better look at that. That is substantial. Okay. And yes, I already cleared it. Did my safety checks. Oh, look at that. Perfect fit. That is nice. That just went in so smooth, and it's got a real nice retention in there. Oh yeah, that is just right. Just right. And you're able to select the colors you want, so I wanted it to look just like this. I didn't want anything bright. I wanted it sort of subdued. Oh yeah. Ooh. That's comfy. That really is surprising. That just sort of conforms right to your chest. Wow. I thought maybe the back would be soft, but it's just, they took all the sharp edges off the Kydex. Look at that. Oh, that's real nice. Huh. I'm pretty impressed. It's like good quality hardware. Let's get some of that on there. Can you see that? Not bad. Not bad. Huh. Alright, well, looking forward to trying it on and seeing how it fits on me. It really, as far as the profile, it does not feel like it's going to stick out hardly at all. Much less than I expected. Huh. That's really cool. Well, that's part of the selling point for it, that it's supposed to fit in real nice and close and tuck in under other things that you can even wear over it. Not like clothing necessarily, but it's under a sweatshirt. You could certainly wear this under a sweatshirt. Very nice. Alright. Well, very cool. That's the Recon from Invader Concepts. I'm pretty impressed. We'll have to field test it a little more and see how we do, but so far, it looks like it was worth the money. All right. Later.